I caught it in my mouth. Do you not think that's impressive? That was so impressive. I wonder which is the most delicious apple. I'm Grape St.Claire, and I tackle the big issues. Six apples. I'm gonna try them, I'm gonna rate them, I'm gonna let you know which is the best apple and which apple is for you. First up, she spent a little bit too much time at the beach without some sunscreen. It's the pink lady. Which one is it? Pink lady, this is the Brayburn. Here we go. First bite of a pink lady. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. That tastes like dew on a field and it's glassy morning. Perfect. That's how I would give this 8 out of 10. Big fan of the pink ladies. Second up, maybe the oldest of all apples. It's the Granny Smith. I can't smell anything over my fake tan, so let's just bite into this old lady and let's see how she feels. Oh, tougher. How does it feel in my mouth? Again, I like it. It tastes like wanting to go to the beach to bob up and down in the waves, but knowing you can't because you've got prior engagements. That's what I would say this apple tastes like. It's yum, but it's not your go-to every day, and I know we should be kind to our elders. So Granny Smith, you will get 6. 6 out of 10 for the granny. What's happened here? I think that is apple juice and nothing more. I didn't see it fall. Maybe I'll get it in the playback, but the apple wasn't that good. Before we go on to the next apple, an edit from the future. Like and subscribe, please. Comment, like. Tell YouTube that you like this video, and you know how you do that? You do that by hitting the like button. Thank you. Now it's the time for the next apple. Third apple up. It's the smallest apple we will try today. We're going to a party. What's another word for a party? A gala. We've got a tiny little baby Gala apple. I like that. I like that theoretically I could fit this whole thing in my mouth. Quiet. Oh, hit the core. Very small. Hit the core. You know what? This apple, it tastes like getting on Great British Bake Off, but then being the first one eliminated. Like, it's a good apple, but quite disappointing. Gala, too small. I'm going to give the Gala 5. I would suggest giving this apple to your kids. It's their size, their tiny little baby kid hands. Save the more delicious apples for yourself. They won't know the difference. Gala, you're done. Apple number 4. It's not an apple, it's a pear. I wanted to review 6 apples, but they only had 5 apples, so we're going to do a pear. I know it's not fair, because it's a pear. I rhymed. Here we go. Smell. Doesn't smell like an apple, smells like a pear. Right. Delicious pear. But if you got an apple that tasted like this, you would not like it. So rating the pear as an apple, 1 out of 10. Get out of here, pear. Apple number 5 If this were the Olympics, this apple's home country would be very proud of itself. It's the Golden Delicious. Golden Delicious, you are delicious. You look like a Granny Smith, but you are not. That's what a Golden Delicious apple sounds like when you poke it with your finger. First bite. Right, soft. I didn't expect it to be soft. Let's try that one more time, eh? Thank you. I feel betrayed by the Golden Delicious. It stung me. It stung me good. It hurts. Golden Delicious, official score 2. Last apple up. This apple's got some cheek. It likes to throw out the jabs. It'll burn you. It's the Brayburn. Just with the eye exam, this apple would be fantastic to pretend it's a cricket ball, wipe it down your crotch before you eat it, and then spin it into your mouth. Oh, wow, 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 that is good. That tastes like how you would explain cotton candy to someone that doesn't know cotton candy. Like, you'd explain as best you can, but you'd never be able to explain cotton candy. This is what they'd be thinking of. And you know what? This would be better. Oh. Brayburn, didn't expect much. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, Brayburn. Best apple. Hands down. Look, I'll put my hands down. The winner. Number 1, Brayburn. Number 2, Pink Lady. Number 3, it's the old lady. Number 4, Gala. Number 5, Golden Delicious. Number 6, a Pear that's already in the bin. Grave St.Claire, not shying away from the hard questions. Let me know what hard topic you want me to discuss in the future. Ho, look out. We might get controversial. Someone might like a Golden Delicious. Yuck.